had a hood on this thing. Hey, Scott and I put it on yesterday by ourselves, two of us.
Mate.
But what we did, we had a tractor with like a forklift on it and picked it up, and then it just slid right on. It took us 30 minutes to get it on because of manipulation, and then back under here, the way that it bolts in, you got to hit it dead center. You probably can't see it with a camera, but there's a bolt that goes through there, through this plate right here. Very difficult to line that up. So we got it lined up, put this one in and put the other side in. And then I'm having to cut some metal away because it hits the radiator. Up here, the radiator, for some reason, it doesn't close the way it should, but we got it in there now. And then we'll hook up the hydraulic rams for the tilt on the hood, and she will be done. And I've got the new valve covers over there, the chrome ones that Emil ordered for me. Top-notch stuff. I think they came from AutoZone. I'm kidding. I can't stop kidding my pal Emil.
That's all right.
That's right. New valve covers I got for the Bronco, and this is the bolts that come with them. They go down into the valve cover. They got Allen heads on them. The only problem, when they shipped this stuff, this box came apart, and I'm 2 of these short. But I think I could just put a regular mold in it with a head on it. We're almost finished with the Bronco. I've been putting new calipers on the front, and I started yesterday putting that one on and got it on, got to bleed it out. And what I found out the problem with the brakes are that whoever put this reservoir on put the front brakes on the small reservoir and the back brakes on the big reservoir. So I got to turn them around and fix them, and I hope that fixes the brakes. I'm going to do that today. I put one of the new valve covers on, and it's a pain in the neck because of the way the gaskets fit on it. And they should sell a gasket for that works, but I hope it don't leak. So that's where I'm at. Let me show you this. See this? See how that's in? Yeah. This is the valve covers that I took off of it. And see how they got the ridge, they hold it in place and all that. Let me show you the new valve cover. And the problem I had with it is because the valve cover, the way they build it, this is the normal way the valve cover goes. And it's difficult to explain, but this hole causes the gasket to go that way, and it pulls it off of the valve cover. And then when you put it up there on it, it's going to cause a leak because they don't seal. I hope I can get it on there, but what a pain in the neck.
Yeah. I like your method for getting it on, though. And you use that awesome shellac, huh?
Well, no, I run out of it. I turned it over in there, and I got some Permatex, and it's not as good as that Indian head.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that? This is just a push in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we got those too.
Okay. All right. So that's where I'm at with this. I let this sit overnight. It was Permatex. It still ain't stuck. Still moving. So when I go to Advanced Auto Parts, I will get some Indian head
Shellac.
shellac. That stuff dries in about 30 minutes.
Sweet.